Welcome to building high-impact customer success teams. In this video, we'll explore how to hire, develop, and measure the performance of customer success managers who drive retention and growth for your business. Whether you're building a CS team from scratch or looking to strengthen your existing organization, these strategies will help you create a team that delivers real customer value. Customer success is the proactive partnership between your company and customers to ensure they achieve their desired business outcomes. In today's subscription-based economy, keeping customers happy and engaged is just as important as acquiring them. A strong customer success function drives three key outcomes. First, it dramatically improves customer retention and reduces churn. Second, it enables expansion opportunities through upsells and cross-sells. And third, it builds customer advocates who provide referrals and positive word of mouth. The most successful companies treat customer success as a strategic priority, not just a support function. Building an effective customer success team requires thoughtful planning across multiple dimensions. You need to determine the right team structure based on your customer base and business model. You should define clear roles and responsibilities so everyone knows what success looks like. You must establish hiring criteria that identifies candidates with the right mix of skills and mindset. You need to create a comprehensive onboarding program to get new hires productive quickly. And you should implement systems and tools that enable your team to work efficiently and deliver consistent customer outcomes. Let's dive into each of these areas. Hiring great customer success managers starts with understanding what competencies matter most. Look for candidates who demonstrate strong problem-solving abilities and can think analytically about customer challenges. Communication skills are critical because CSMs need to articulate value clearly to different stakeholders. Emotional intelligence helps them build trust and navigate complex customer relationships. Adaptability and comfort with ambiguity are essential in a fast-moving function. When evaluating candidates, assess their ability to manage multiple accounts, handle pressure, and maintain a customer-centric mindset. Experience in your industry is valuable but not essential. Often, you can teach product and industry knowledge, but you cannot teach fundamental people skills or customer focus. A structured onboarding program is your foundation for CSM success. A comprehensive 90-day onboarding should include several key components. First, product training where new hires deeply understand your product's features, use cases, and differentiators. Second, industry and customer knowledge so they understand your market, customer personas, and typical business challenges. Third, process training covering your sales methodology, customer journey, success metrics, and internal systems. Fourth, mentorship pairing new CSMs with experienced team members for ongoing guidance and feedback. Fifth, shadowing and reverse shadowing to learn from successful CSMs and practice skills. And sixth, customer interactions where new hires meet customers and handle supported accounts with oversight. This structured approach reduces time to productivity and builds confidence in new team members. Learning doesn't stop after onboarding. Continuous development keeps your team sharp and engaged. Implement knowledge programs with product certification tracks so CSMs stay current on product updates. Conduct industry knowledge workshops to deepen their understanding of customer verticals and market trends. Run quarterly training cycles on advanced topics like negotiation, executive communication, data analysis, and advanced sales techniques. Create mentorship programs pairing junior and senior CSMs for knowledge transfer and skill development. Encourage attendance at industry conferences and webinars to expose the team to new ideas. Foster a culture of continuous improvement where the team regularly learns from customer feedback and market changes. This commitment to development improves retention and ensures your team stays competitive. Measuring CSM performance requires tracking metrics across multiple dimensions. Retention rate measures your core success through net retention, logo retention, and dollar retention. Expansion revenue tracks growth opportunities realized through upsells, cross-sells, and upgrades. Time to value measures onboarding effectiveness by tracking days to customer activation. Customer satisfaction through Net Promoter Score, customer satisfaction ratings, and product adoption scores tells you about relationship quality. Activity metrics like calls conducted, emails sent, and meetings held indicate engagement levels. And team retention through CSM tenure and turnover rate reflects organizational health. Focus on meaningful account outcomes rather than just activity counts. Quality partnerships and health score improvements matter more than sheer activity volume. Combine quantitative metrics with qualitative feedback from regular coaching, customer input, and peer reviews to get a complete performance picture. Let's recap the essential takeaways from this video. First, hire for potential and competencies rather than just experience. Look for problem solvers and communicators who can learn and adapt. Second, invest significantly in training with a structured 90-day onboarding program and ongoing mentorship. This accelerates productivity and builds team confidence. Third, enable growth through continuous learning, coaching, and clear career pathing to reduce turnover. Fourth, measure impact using balanced metrics that track retention, expansion, satisfaction, and team health. Fifth, focus on customer outcomes and strategic partnerships rather than just activity metrics. And sixth, build a supportive team culture with peer mentoring, regular feedback, and recognition systems. To start implementing, define your hiring criteria, design your onboarding program, establish your key performance indicators, and commit resources to continuous team development. Now it's time to take action and build your high-impact customer success team. Start by defining clear hiring criteria that align with your business needs and customer base. Design a comprehensive onboarding program that sets new hires up for success. Establish key performance indicators that measure what matters most for your business. And invest in continuous growth programs that develop your team's capabilities over time. Remember, your customer success team is a direct reflection of your company's commitment to customer value. By hiring thoughtfully, training thoroughly, and measuring strategically, you'll build a team that drives retention, expansion, and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on building world-class customer success organizations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.